Hey guys, I'm going to review Disney Pixar Cars Monster Truck Mater Cars. I didn't get to review Mater, but I reviewed those two. Lightning McQueen and the Ambulance in the first video. This is the second video, I think. I don't know. I'll link the first video in the description below. The car suggestion pop up in the right top hand corner. Yeah. Now let's hear it. Truck CT review. This guy. Let's review McQueen. Yeah. It's like McQueen's like he's ready for action. Yeah. He's got like his thunderbolts on him. Yeah. That. He's got black tires and gold rims on each side. Yeah, there's some chips on him. Let's see. Yeah. See the date. 2030AZ. So he's made in the 30th week of, I believe, 2008 maybe, I think. Yeah. No, that's it. Now let's review Mater here. Mater's also looks like he's ready for action. Yeah. Got these red stuff right here. Red. It says Tormentor on each side. And he has black rims and black tires and black rims. He has like this hook right here that looks very like I believe or something. I don't know. I believe that's this thing. Wait, I don't know what are these gold stuff. I think that's in the show. I don't know. Yeah, there's some names someday. See the date. 20 2030AZ. So he's also made in the 30th week at the 8 factory of 2008. The Cars 2 came out. Two more years after the first Cars movie came out. Let's move in the back. Let's take a look at the ambulance guy. This is Dr. Feelbad. It's got like there's a spanner right there. It's Dr. Feelbad. There's something like this, like in the red thing, like trying to. There's something with the spanner. There's like these stuff. There's that the spanner. And there's Dr. Feelbad. Also on the other side. Emergencies on the side. There's yeah, see, Dr. Feelbad. This stands for on each side. That's on the roof right there. There's one right there. There's a spider with the red and the black thing. These things. Yeah, let's see. And he's made an 2010 AZ. So he's made it. So he's made in the 10th week at the A Factory of 2008. Like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to Joe's Jam. Bye.